Sohidbari Moitri Foundation is a humanitarian organization. The organization is constantly working in the service of humanity. The members of this organization who are engaged in the service of humanity are spending the scope of humanitarian service through a small saving. The service of this organization are to help marry of daughters of distressed families and poor families, providing medical assistance to sick people of poor families, providing financial assistance to poor families affected by fire or natural disaster. Moreover, through annual religious competition, drawing competition, and religious music and religious quiz competition, enriching religious knowledge among students and motivating the youth to create honest, sincere, religious and human values. I express my sincere gratitude and thanks to the organization and everyone associated with this organization for its continuous prosperity.